My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone,
All right, so we just came from our hotel, and the Ubud Palace is behind me. We're gonna go in and explore before walking around the rest of Ubud. It's hot here. I thought it was hot in Jogja. Nah. It's so hot here. I am thankful that I get to wear shorts and not feel ashamed though.
That's what I was thinking.
And filming.
So if you record
At least we're in a pretty
it's
place.
harder to slow it down.
All the lights are out, I'll call you back. Never need to say goodbye. I'll come back later by your door. Is there any place you wanna go? 2 islands and nobody inside. You and me together in the night. But someone else was on.
It's like playing Russian roulette crossing the street here. It's not if you're gonna get hit, it's bound to happen. I already got hit by a mirror, so let's see how long the luck pulls off.
Stars, and I didn't notice the chaos inside my heart. Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. When were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought
I don't know. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's
The pants? It doesn't say in their shoes.
yeah, it just has a difference.
Yeah.
Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost
You guys look
still
fancy.
could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking into sin. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done.
It is so hot. Down in the valley, it's really cool though. Luckily. And these two are slower than slugs.
It's hot.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left.
We are currently at the water temple right now. And this place is beautiful.
This is the President Palace.
That's the President's Palace?
Yes.
So, but this represents like a whole family line.
Yeah, it's something
not
like
just
that.
a person.
Okay.
Right. So, I mean, I'm guessing that's basically what it is. So it's not just your grandmother and grandfather; it's their grandmother,
Yeah.
grandfather,
Yes.
their and all the brothers
Yes.
and sisters and.
Now, something I was told as well is now you guys get to know, you guys see someone that tells you when your kids are young, they tell you when with their past life, like
Yeah.
who they were in a past life,
Yeah.
right?
So like my baby. So I have to tell someone who knows. So who come to my family. So my grandfather or my grandmother, something like that. Because we live like reincarnation, you know.
Yep.
So some people we believe. So they talk to me that this your grandfather, something like that.
Yep.
Then okay, this is my grandfather now.
Yep.
They come here to my family, my little family, something
Yeah.
like that.
That's so cool. I love that. That's pretty cool, right?
That's fascinating.
Yep.
So something
awesome.
like when I have the second baby, so I have to talk again, you know. So who this, you know, maybe I don't know from a long time ago.
Yep.
They coming, something like that. Okay, maybe because I don't know all this, and then I must to ask my father. So you know this grandfather before? Maybe I don't know. Maybe my father know.
Yeah.
So this from your something like.
Yeah.
You know.
We are heading out. We saw a whole bunch of people doing blessings, but it's a little bit too much. It's really crowded. It's Sunday, so lots of people are here. So we're going to avoid the wait.